Okay, so let's start with the next module, that is seventh module, and in this again we are going to discuss further about the automation anywhere. So automation anywhere, as we discussed already, it is an RPA. You can use the RPA developer tool, combines conventional RPA with intellectual elements like language understanding and reading any unstructured data. Features: intelligent automation for businesses and IT operations. It's one of the best robotic process automation tool which uses smart automation technology, rapidly automating complex and complicated tasks. Distribute tasks to multiple computers, offers scriptless automation. UiPath. UiPath is a highly extensible robotic process automation tool for automating any desktop or web apps. It's one of the open source RPA tools that allows global enterprises to design, deploy a robotic workforce for their organization. Features: UiPath can be hosted in virtual terminals or cloud environments. Provides support for high range of applications to work with, which includes the web and desktop applications. Auto login features to run the web bots. Scraping solution which works with .NET, Java, Flash, PDF, Legacy, SAP with absolute accuracy. Blue Prism. Blue Prism and RPA tools helps business operation to be eligible and cost effective by automating manual rule-based back repetitive office automation or processes. It is one of the free RPA tools which provides a flowchart like a designer with a drag and drops features to automate various business processes. Features: easily implemented in the short time span of time to 4 to 6 weeks. Robust, robust and feature rich analytics suite. The tool doesn't require programming skills to implement. Build highly efficient and automated end-to-end business processes. Improved control room to offer real-time feedback. Pega. Pega Systems Automate Frameworks tool supports all usage scenarios. Pega unifies architecture based on a business rule management system and predictive analytics decision management mechanism. Features: OpenAI APIs that quickly connect to your existing services. Actionable intelligence helps you to automatically find processes to optimize. The adaptive intelligence that learns on the fly. This RPA open source tool captures insights at the desktop. It gets complete details of how work gets done. OpenConnect. OpenConnect automatically discovers, automate and improve service processes and optimize workforce productivity. The tool helps you to address all types of operational and competitive challenges. Features: entirely several based architecture, dashboard views with real-time status, centralized governance, highly secure encrypted data, advanced connectivity capabilities. Kofax from Lexberg. Kofax RPA is one of the most efficient way to acquire, enhance and deliver information from any application or data source. This includes a website, portal, desktop application and enterprise system without any coding. Features: helps you to remove errors by automating data gathering and input. Increase operational efficiency with intelligent software robots. Monitor and optimize processes with robotic process intelligence. Deploy, manage and execute robots from a centralized server. Built-in analytics and process intelligence. Workforce. WorkFusion is a SaaS cloud computing platform. This RPA software automates the process of monitoring of data feed and helps in managing crowdsourced workers and global talent market. Features: this robotic process automation software automates tasks by just press of a button. Deploy bots as you need to operate simultaneously for enterprise scale automation. Collaborate with multiple users across different workstations. Automate across your team. Contexter. Contexter is a robotic process automation solution offers complete customer view, online help, and shares data between two or more applications. Features: automate tasks in real time, ensure the proper sequencing of tasks, gather and maintain a contextual data collection, provide a contextual assistant help. The tool can monitor the process executed on the workshop. Jakarta. Jakarta RPA is a robust RPA tool that helps in desktop automation. It's one of the best RPA automation tools that allows companies to automate time consuming and error prone repetitive tasks. Features: automated processes conducted with the highest possible accuracy and unbeaten level of consistency. Reduced average handling time for your organization. Helps you to increase the first call resolution. Crayon. Crayon robotics process automation tool. It works on the cutting edge of RPA technology, driving innovation in the discovery of suitable automated processes. Features: helps you to identify all of your processes that should be automated for time and cost savings. Empower companies to accomplish their tasks with greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Helps you remove or automate all your repetitive and time consuming business processes. Enhance productivity at every stage of your business processes. NICE Systems. NICE is a cloud and on premises enterprise software solutions. This RPA Python tool helps you organizations to take firm and accurate decisions based on advanced analytics of structured and unstructured data. Features: increased customer satisfaction, improved productivity, better resource utilization, allows your employee are free to focus on high value activities. RPA pitfalls. Is RPA the solution for any digital transformation issue? Is it the perfect solution? You may think yes, based on the market hype. The truth is that RPA is not always the quick fix for every process automation. As for every project, it's key to plan carefully the RPA solution and focus on both process, technology, and maintenance to avoid magnifying existing problems. In other words, if there are errors in the process, the bots will continue to replicate those errors indefinitely. It is strongly recommended that associated automation with a set it and forget it can't be a reality. There are many chances that an RPA project fails if companies are not aware of the RPA pitfalls from the very beginning. Don't go for implementation RPA if the process is not complex and or changes frequently, involves higher level cognitive tasks, is not optimized, is with significant business impact and is not cost effective. Don't go for implementation of RPA if you don't have a clear strategy. Set up a KPI to measure the automation success. Have the leadership buy-in and support from the key functions. Plan the maintenance needs and cost. Before starting any RPA activity, be ready to have the right checklist to define whether RPA is ideal for your operations and where it will work best. One should start with the use case that makes sense, can optimize the existing processes, increase employee and customer satisfaction. Tackling RPA security issues. One must not be ignored of the risk associated with the deploying robots or automating businesses operations. The increase in cyber attacks, RPA introduced new forms of threat that can be leveraged by hackers to access unauthorized systems and exploit vulnerabilities. These security risk issues exist on the following forms. Data security issues. This has to do with improper use of confidential personal and corporate data. Implementing companies must work to ensure the full privacy and security of data used by machines. Access security issues. This relates to an unauthorized users' possibility of accessing and using confidential data dealt with by bots. Access to such data must be prevented from employees and hackers. Some suggested ways to tackle RPA security issues that should be around integrity, confidentiality, traceability, and control. Governance and product security. It is important to build an RPA security strategy with clear policies that should be compliant with the company's security policies. Besides, it is crucial to perform security architecture risk analysis of chosen RPA solutions and include security scanning tools as part of the bot creation, maintenance process, etc. Prevention and unauthorized access. Everyone on an RPA team must not have free access to the data. There must be an assignment of roles. Bot creator, tester, controller, or runner. Assigning roles to RPA members ensures the curtailing of too many accesses to sensitive data and thereby keeping fraudulent activities under the check. Password or login credentials must be used by all users and processes to have access to the credentials vault. Like this, only specific authorized users may get the sensitive data area. Active Directory integration. This assists in assigning roles by centralizing team credentials for an easy management. Active Directory integration creates a control center for login credentials. With this activity of robotic processes can be tracked for ease of direct control over potentially dangerous actions. All of this should be done by making sure that you have auditability on every action done by the robot and control over error-prone manual activities. Encryption. This complements Active Directory integration. Unlike role-based access, which guides against internal security, risk encryption protect the company that from external malicious attacks. Others, to further boost RPA security, get protection against malware and viruses. For example, Trojans. RPA team members should work on scheduled tasks and maintain a clear desk policy. Thus, it may be said that RPA plays important role in enhancing the capabilities of app automation anywhere. To take this to the next steps, many companies are taking about cognitive or intelligent automation where the bots can mimic the human cognitive functions with a feedback loop to train it, and thus it learns over time. This will be one of the pillars of the next disruption, augmented intelligence. Thank you.